So you have to make sure that you like occlude this, or else it'll just like drip everywhere.
Okay.
Which I've done a lot of times. So I usually just put a few knots in it, because we're just gonna throw this away anyway. It's gonna be like really diluted blood, but mostly clear. Okay. So
far all you did was put the other arterial in the empty bag that comes with the circuit.
yes, and then I'm gonna put the venous spike onto the blood bag. And if we had the filters, the Paul filters, you would put that on first, but since we don't have them right now, like the other day, I just didn't worry about it.
Okay.
But this would be very important if we did have the Paul filter. It would be full of air, right? So you would need to de-air it. So you would clamp here on the venous line so that you can push the air from here back into this bag.
Okay.
It's also smart right now to just go ahead and cut your flow so that you don't accidentally start to drop air in here. So that's off. This is still off, and this is still off. So right now I am just going to open this and push just like manually to get that air out. So,
okay, yeah.
And then you could try to like burp it up if you wanted to, but it'll likely just kind of fall back down. So I usually just kind of push.
Okay.
And then I will clamp this off. You try to do it without like wasting a lot of blood, but you have to de-air, so you have to get out as much as you can. Okay, so now we have both of the venous sides spiked and both of the arterial sides spiked, but we're clamped there, so it's fine. So now I'm going to open this one and open this one. So open this. I'm gonna take this clamp off. I'm still clamped down there, so we shouldn't fall too much. But once I open this clamp, it's gonna be allowing the blood to go through the circuit. I usually kind of hover because I don't want to just drain this bag super quickly. I want to watch as it comes down so I don't like push air into my circuit. And it's gonna be chasing all the clear from the circuit into this empty bag. So just kind of opening it slowly, and you can kind of watch as it drains in. Always watching this. This unit's not like a proper unit, so I'm just gonna have to clamp right there. But normally you would be able to at least get it to about here. Depending on how big the unit is, you can like, you'll just be watching the blood go through, and it usually will get to about here.
Okay.
And then, so once we're empty in the bag, I clamp there just so that I can rearrange all of this. So I'm going to turn this off and reopen this one. And I'm going to turn this one off and reopen this one.
Okay. So now you're circulating in the original bag again.
So now we're just going to let it continue. And now this will be like a diluted blood bag.
And it goes in garbage.
Yep. And that's why we usually like for this bag to be like low in volume, so that once we get to this step, we only have like 100 or 200 of clear that we are like diluting the circuit with, if that makes sense.
No, that makes sense, yeah.
So like if this bag was full, before I even spike that bag and this bag, I would probably just like get another bag and like drain it until I have like 100 or 200 of volume in there, and then I would proceed with this step.
Okay.
Because you can see like how diluted it is.
Yeah.
You know? And this was like right there.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. And then once we pass up and everything, we'll just like kind of quarter connect that and throw all this away.